Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Spiritus, and if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and smashing that thumbs up button, and of course pressing the bell button so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. So I will continue from the last episode. I don't have my trusty helper with me, and I promised her that she can do the painting. I might do an extra coat of both varnish on my working bench, but the things up here, those will she paint, and she will also paint an extra coat over there. I don't think there is any downside with having many layers of that. So instead I will continue with the electrical setup so that I can get proper light around my Supra. So up here in the corner I think I will have the junction box. I will have the switch here and the outlet here, I think. And the cables will come down from there. And this setup of LEDs, I will have just another setup like that under here. Time for another circuit diagram. So we have the input, we have the outlet, this one of the lights, my breaker, here is one junction box, and here is another one. So hopefully my theory will work in practice. boxes in place, and I messed up a bit with this thingy, but it's okay. So I will now run some wires or cables. I did forget that I need to add this, but I can add it into this box. Here is the first snake nest. It's actually the first one that's completed, and this cable going to the breaker or switch is not really correct. That's why I have like brown going to blue, but yeah, I don't have any with the same coloring, so this will have to do for now. Okay, so the GoPro died when I was screwing in these ground cables together, but everything is connected. I have some extra screws holding the cables in place, but I think this will be okay. And also the light, so that I can shine down the side of my Supra. So I think I will end this episode here. I've completed the goal for today, which is quite nice. I just wanted to take care of all the electrical over here, so that the next time when Sid is coming with me, she can do some painting and I can finish the electrical stuff over there. So if you're still watching, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.